Wow, this view is incredible.
Yeah, and the coffee's perfect. This is the best part of the trip.
It's all about moments like this.
To friendship and many more.
My paw hurts so much. I'm stuck between these trees. I can't move. It's bleeding and I'm in so much pain. I don't know if someone is here, so help me.
I'm hungry. Yes, me too. Let's eat something.
Yeah, I'm starving. What should we make?
Pasta would be perfect.
Sounds great.
This stew is really yummy.
Yeah, the potatoes are amazing. Everything tastes so good out here.
So yummy, I'm glad we came.
The fire's dying. We don't have enough wood.
Yeah, we're running low.
You guys enjoy. I'll go find some wood.
Let me go with you.
No, I want to go alone. I want some adventure. Like and share this video. Tell me in the comment section how much wood we need for one night in this place. Gotta keep gathering more. A squirrel is stuck between those trees. Its paw looks like it's bleeding. Should I go check on it? I don't know. I have to be careful. Oh, your paw is bleeding. You poor thing, you look like you're in so much pain. What should I do? I should help him. I'll take him to my friends. Hey guys, look what I found. What is that? You went for wood and came back with a squirrel?
Seriously, a squirrel? We should go and take this squirrel to the vet. Otherwise, he will die.
You're right. He doesn't look good.
Okay, let's pack our things in cap first and then go toward our car. Let's move.
Hang in there, little guy. We're almost at the vet.
How is he? I'm driving as fast as I can. He looks bad. The hospital's closer.
Her paw is bleeding very much, but don't worry.
What happened to her?
She likely injured it outside. We'll clean it and stitch it.
Will she be okay?
She'll be fine. We'll keep her for observation.
He's stable now. You'll take him to the shelter? Yes, right away. Good. Bring him back daily for a checkup. And change your bandage every day, gently.
We will. Thank you, doctor.
All right, let's head home.
Yes, the squirrel's ready.
Everyone buckled up?
Finally, we are home.
Let's get you warm inside.
This place is so cozy.
Hey, little guy, come here.
He's so cute.
Careful, he's quick. Whoa, he's strong.
My turn. He's so soft.
He likes you.